Look at this view. We hiked up here. Yeah, now we're hiking back down. Let's go. Look at that. Look at how pretty it is. Like and subscribe if you love nature. See you guys at the bottom. Guys, look at this mini bridge and mini stream. And look, there's another one up here. Look, it's a little stream. Isn't that so cute? All right, now we're going up a mini hill and then back down again. So we're almost there. See you guys. We made it back down to the lake. We were all the way up there. See that big hill with all those trees? We were all the way up there. And back here. Isn't that cool? Drop a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Look at those geese. Anyways, guys, bye. Look, we caught a fish. Cool, huh?
Look, I caught it on corn.
It's a little baby sunfish.
Yeah. It's a lunker.
Bye, guys.